After giving you 3 months bank statements and we get pre-approved, we find a house within 3 months, will the bank ask for more bank statements? So, very good question raised. Based on the timeline, so our pre-approval that we issue you with is valid generally for 3 months from the date of issue. However, if within that 3 months something changes, you change jobs, you purchase a car, your expenses change, anything that would change either the income dramatically or the expenses in that matter, for that matter, we will then have to revise the assessment, A, and B, if there is a 3-month gap, let's just say, between us issuing you with the pre-approval and you actually finding the house, signing the offer, and now willing to or needing to engage with that official home loan application process, we then at that stage require updated bank statements, updated pay slips. So if that, let's say, for example, we're now in February, apologies, and we secure your pre-approval now, 3 months lapses, and in, call it April, end of April, you now come back to us saying, here's my offer to purchase. I found the ideal property. I'd love to proceed with my application. We will then require the bank statements and pay slips for the period March to May. So March, April, May, for example, for those 3 months that you were shopping and you were busy scouring the market and finding your ideal property, we will require those updated in details. So it's very important, once you've been pre-approved, to try and maintain the expenses that you had at the time of that pre-approval, not to go out and increase expenses unnecessarily with loans or cars or anything like that. In fact, recently I had a really amazing case where clients came to me. We did the pre-approval, we did the application. However, they said to me after we secured the home loan, it was about a year before they'd approached me, and they came across a video where I said exactly this, where please do not buy that expensive vehicle as yet. If you really set your heart on purchasing property, try to keep your expenses as minimal as possible. You can open up 1 or 2 small accounts, but generally the car vehicle finance applications, try and put that on hold until you secure your property. And in fact, that was a decision that they took to heart. They applied it, and today they are approved home buyers.